It's always a good idea to have a running watch list of longs and short potential trade setups. And this week we've got a lot of news that's going to be hitting the market. We've got, Trump in Singapore with North Korea. We've got the FOMC. We've got the ECB. So here are a couple things that you might want to start watching for your watch list, potential shorts, potential longs. One of them is TLT, which is the bond ETF. So you can see here on the daily time frame, it's in a lot of resistance right here into these moving averages. So if this starts to break through this 118.50, it could have a nice move back down to 116. So this is one to be watching. We've got FOMC meeting starting Tuesday, expected to raise rates on Wednesday, but I think a lot of that's in. So going to be watching this TLT, potentially poised for maybe a short side or downside move. And here's another one that's starting to look interesting. This is Raytheon RTN. And you can see it, the price action here is very, very tight on the daily time frame, very coiled. We're in what we call a volatility squeeze. Momentum is up, so there's potential for it to break to the upside. You can see the hourly, though, came off here into the close today. So we'll see, but this is one we're watching closely for a potential long, or it actually could be a potential short. But right now, momentum is more poised are pointing to an upside move, and that's on RTN. And CAT is starting to look real good here. So here's Caterpillar CAT. It's got a lot of different squeezes going on. So here's a daily squeeze. You can see how coiled it is. Now over here is our trade alert indicator. So you can see it's in a red, means it's in a squeeze on the 60-minute, daily squeeze, 3-day, 4-day, weekly. You can see over here weekly squeeze. So this is one to really highlight. This CAT could really start going, so I want to watch this one closely as well. That's CAT, C-A-T. And one more that we have on our watch list is UNG, the natural gas ETF. Seasonally, when we get into mid-June, this tends to be a very seasonally weak period of time for natural gas, and it tends to sell off. So we're watching this. It's into this 200-day moving average. We're looking at any potential for this thing to roll over, and this could present a pretty decent short. Now all the different trades or strategies or stocks that I just showed you, they're all really good as far as setting up various different option trade setups for these particular stocks. So just wanted to point out a few that you could add to your watch list, and we'll go from there. Good luck trading.